You know, sometimes when you go to make a video online, it just doesn't work.
Hi, I wanted to... No, sorry.
So, I guess I'm supposed to just say it. I can't even look at the lens.
So I wanted to say... Forget it.
Hi, never mind.
I don't know where to start.
So I just wanted to...
Forget it.
Okay, you can do this.
Right. Hey.
So,
This'll come out the way I need it to.
Breathe. Just breathe. All right, here goes.
You know, all those people were not real people. They were AI that felt real. They represent people just like you and me that struggle to get our messages out on camera. Finally, there is a solution for people who are shy on camera, don't like to film themselves, don't want to show their faces, or just have camera anxiety. I just released a step-by-step system that's perfect for you if you identify with any one from this video. Make an AI digital spokesperson to share your message for just $7, no monthly fees.
Just comment the word 7, and I'd be happy to show you how to do this. You don't have to show your face on camera, but you do have to show up for the training. Comment 7 now.